Simplify your speech, replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of English language learning: replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs. This can help you simplify your speech and sound more formal in the right contexts. So, let's dive in. Phrasal verbs are unique to the English language. They consist of a base verb and a particle, usually a preposition or adverb, that alters the meaning of the base verb. For example, give up means to stop trying, and turn down means to reject. While phrasal verbs are extremely common in conversational English, they can sometimes sound informal in professional or academic settings. That's where single-word verbs come into play. Often, phrasal verbs have single-word synonyms that are used in more formal or academic English. Replacing phrasal verbs with these synonyms can enhance your writing or speech. For example, you can replace give up with quit or turn down with reject. There are numerous situations where replacing phrasal verbs can be beneficial. Let's consider a few. 1. Professional correspondence. When you're writing an email or a letter in a business context, it's typically best to use more formal language. For instance, set up could be replaced with establish or look into with investigate. 2. Academic writing. Academic papers generally require formal English. So, instead of writing find out, you might write discover, and put off can become postpone. 3. Speeches and presentations. If you're giving a speech or a presentation, especially in a professional or academic setting, using single-word verbs can make your language sound more polished. Instead of bring up, you can use mention. 4. Formal conversations. When you're in a formal conversation or interview, replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs can help you sound more articulate. For instance, get along with can be replaced with harmonize. There you have it. Replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs is a great way to make your English more sophisticated and appropriate for different contexts. Practice this skill, and you'll find your command over the language improving day by day. Thanks for joining us on this language adventure. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!